Get your hands ready to wave and we'll sing our song, Hello Everybody. Hello everybody, and how are you? How are you? Hello everybody, and how are you today? I hope everybody's doing good. I hope everybody's thumbs up. Can you do your thumbs up? Or your A-OK? I know you can. Hello everybody, and how are you? How are you? Hello everybody, and how are you today? Your thumbs up and A-OK. Get your hands ready. We'll start out medium fast. Clap, clap, clap. Swish, swish, swish. Roll, roll, roll. And tickle, tickle, tickle. That was good. And I bet you can do it faster. Let's do it faster. Clap, clap, clap. Swish, swish, swish. Roll, roll, roll. And tickle, tickle, tickle. All right. Nicely done. And how shall we do it next? Shall we do the super sneaky, quiet clapping? I think that's everybody's favorite. Let's try it. Yay! I knew you could do it. You guys have been practicing so much. Are you ready to do open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap? And you remember the creepy crawl, then goes down to your knees. A little tap, tap, tap. Let's sing together. Open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Creepy crawl them, right down to your knees, knees, knees. Give your knees a little tap, then right back to your lap, lap, lap. Let's go a little faster. Open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Oh, very good. And there's one more song we have to sing before Miss Cindy comes with her book for story time. Can you get your books ready with your hands? And then think about reading your story. You can make any story up when you're reading your story, your pretend story. This is the way we read our books, read our books, read our books. This is the way we read our books so early in the morning.
Hello, Storytimers. I hope you're having a good day today. Have you noticed how windy the day has been? The day has been a windy one. The wind has been blowing. It reminded me of a poem I know by Christina Rossetti, and it's called Who Has Seen the Wind? Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. That's right. We can't see the wind, but we see the things that the wind is blowing. Let's read a story about a windy day. A Windy Day by Margot Gates. I think that's a windy day for these children. A windy day. Jay and Tara went out to play. Today is a windy day, said Tara. What are they going to play? I think they're going to play soccer. They have a soccer ball. But do you see the leaves blowing? Where do you see the wind today? Asked Jay. He doesn't see the wind. I see it in the trees, Tara said. The trees bend in the wind. They sure do. We said that in our poem. Look at the trees bending over as the wind blows. Coconut trees love to bend in the wind. I see it in the leaves, said Tara. The leaves blow in the wind. There go the leaves blowing. The wind blew and blew. My hat is blowing away, said Tara. I see the wind, said Jay. Your hair is blowing in the wind. Look at her ponytail blowing. That's the end. Our story about the wind and being able to see the things blowing in the wind. Can you hear the wind? Sometimes you do. If you sit by the window, sometimes you hear the wind going by. Makes a noise. Can you taste the wind? Not really. It doesn't have a taste. Can you smell the wind? You sure can. If there's smoke, you can smell it in the wind. Yes, you can. And we can feel the wind when it blows against our skin. We like to use our senses when it's windy. See you later. Bye-bye.
Let's sing It's a Windy Day.